So perhaps the most widely used translation tool that Google has to offer is Google Translate. I'm going to show you how to install the Google Translate extension. And to find this, you're going to go to the Chrome Web Store, which is chromewebstore.google.com. And you're going to search for Google Translate, and then you're going to add that to Chrome. You're going to click Add Extension. And then you're going to notice that it's been added to your extensions toolbar. And if I X out, it disappears. But what I want to do is pin that so it's always available to me. So by clicking this push pin, it will allow me to pin it to my toolbar. Now I have Google Translate available. Now I can, with Google Translate, I can, or my students can, translate any web page, any text in a Google Doc by simply clicking here and translating this page. So now, right now, you can see that it's translated to English, but I can also click here and choose any language. So let's say I choose Dutch. And now I scroll down and my page is actually translated. I can always go back to the original. And you can do this pretty much anywhere. The other trick that you can actually use with Google Translate is if you are a Google school and you use Google Classroom, your multilingual learners can actually translate your Google Classroom using Google Translate. And the way to do this is simply just right click and go down to where it says translate to English and select that. And it's going to say that the detected language is English. But if I click on the three dots, if I choose another language, it will allow me to use the drop down to actually change and translate my Google Classroom to another language. So I'm going to choose Dutch and click translate. And now it has translated my Google Classroom page to Dutch. And here's classwork. It will translate every single portion of your Google Classroom to Dutch. And if you want to just right click again and then go back to translate, you can always change it back to English by, again, choosing another language, going to find English. Where'd it go? Here it is. And then translating, or you can actually just reset it. So that's just a quick and easy way to use the Google Translate extension in Google Classroom or on any web page for your MLLs.